Everybody just calm down.
Well, good morning, my little friends. How are y'all doing today? Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Welcome to everybody, just calm down. Story times with Mr. Billy. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Three King Visions. We are the best new kids youth entertainment platform. And guess what, y'all? Busy. We gotta tell them something. Guess what, y'all? We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna give away one of these Three King Vision shirts in our next episode. All you gotta do is tag 10 new subscribers on my Instagram page at Three King Visions. I repeat that. Tag 10 new subscribers on Instagram and we're gonna give out these t-shirts. So hold up, y'all. Guess what today is? It's the first day of school! Wow, man, I'm so excited. Today's the first day of school. I'm walking to the school bus, y'all. Whoa, hold up. Have y'all seen Busy? We're at the bus stop. Where's Busy? Busy. There goes the school bus. Whoa! Do y'all see Busy? Busy, when did you get a driver's license? Okay, it's time to get on the bus. Whoa, I'm excited, y'all. Guess what? We're on the school bus, and guess what? It's time for a new song. It's the car song. Is y'all ready? Yay! Here we go. Auto, auto, auto. May I have a ride? Yes, yes, yes. Step inside. Pour in the water in, pump on the gas in, chug, chug away, but not too fast. Yay! Hey guys, my little friends, I'm so excited. I don't know what we're gonna learn today, but I'm so excited for the first day of school. I wonder who's my teacher. Whoa! Busy's a teacher? Hey, Mr. Busy. Everyone say, hello, Busy. Mr. Busy, what is the buzzword of the day?
School!
What? Busy talks now? Oh no! Hey, Mother had his tricks for kids today. Whoa! What is our number of the day? The number 7? Let's count with Mr. Busy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! I'm waiting on my other classmates. What? Did y'all see that? Hey! Busy bee classmates? There's a lot of bees in here. I bees with the trap. Our story of the day is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Busy. Shh. Everyone tell Busy to be quiet. Let's see. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. What color is that leaf? Green. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Let's rub our tummies if we're hungry. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. What color is that apple? Red. Whoa! On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Whoa! On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Whoa! On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. Whoa! On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. But guess what, y'all? On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Busy? I think you ate too much too. Whoa! The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. Whoa! Look at that caterpillar, y'all. He looked like Busy in the last episode. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and... whoa! He was a beautiful butterfly. The end. Yay! Planet board activity today is brown bear, brown bear. Is y'all ready? Here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? I see whoa! A giraffe looking at me. What's next, y'all? Here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? I see whoa! A penguin looking at me. You know penguins wobble. Whoa! Here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? A cat looking at me. What kind of noise a cat make? Meow, meow. Here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? Whoa! A lion looking at me. Can we roar like a lion? Roar! And lastly, here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? Humpty Dumpty. Did y'all see Humpty Dumpty? Whoa! Oh, I dropped Humpty, y'all. I'ma pick him up. Let's see. Let's just continue, y'all. Brown bear, what do you see? I see whoa! A cracked Humpty Dumpty looking at me. Good job, everybody. Good job. Whoa! The bell just rung. School's already over? Hold up, y'all. Guess what it's time for? Busy. Come on, Mr. Busy. It's time for the Bumble Bee Song. Yay! Everyone put their hands together like this. Here we go. I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it stung me. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna squish the bumblebee. I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Now my mommy be so proud of me. I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it's sticky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna lick the bumblebee off our hands. I'm licking off my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking off my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it's yucky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna wipe the bumblebee off our hands. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Now my mommy be so proud of me. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Look, no more Bumblebee! Yay!
Freaking vision.